Hi, Greg. How are you today?
Oh, just fine. Thank you. Yourself?
Good, thanks. Glad to have you here. You just completed the class with Delta College, and I was just wondering how that went for you.
Oh, excellent. I enjoyed most every aspect of it. I learned a lot that I didn't already know. Some of it was a little redundant with my background in engineering to begin with, but overall, I enjoyed it and I got a lot out of it.
So you've had significant experience in manufacturing, just and not at this level, but other than that. So that will really help.
Correct. I've been with, since high school, I've been with RWC in Bay City, Conair Jetro, which used to be in Bay City, and my last job was with Ingersoll CM Systems in Midland, all machine tool builders.
Okay.
So I was in engineering with all three of them, plus I was a purchasing agent with Ingersoll until I got laid off about a year ago.
We've had some tough times in manufacturing the last couple of years, so.
Yeah, it's a feast or famine thing,
Yeah.
truly.
But this is really interesting. It's a new kind of career path for you to
Right.
round it out.
Correct, yeah.
So you had 6 classes. Which was your favorite?
I guess the hands-on, actually making parts on the manual machines was probably the most educational to me from the standpoint of, well, producing something. The CNC theory course, which introduced me to the coding and the program writing for the computer numerical control machines, was certainly interesting as well. And then the other course, there was a Mastercam course, which my previous experience in AutoCAD and SolidWorks 3D was helped me kind of get into that as well. So everything was probably the least interesting to me was the blueprint reading, mainly because I drew blueprints for about 15, 16 years to begin with in my engineering experience. So
Okay.
that was kind of a little redundant, but I did learn a few things in there as well.
Oh, good. This was hands-on. You made products. What was your favorite product to make?
I don't know, I can't really say. I just like the idea of when I'm done with a product, to take pride in having finished it and finished it correctly. So I guess both or all the different aspects. There's also surface grinding machines that we did. So I guess I like all aspects of it. Nothing really. Everything is cool. Let's just put it that way.
Well, it's great you feel that way.
Actually, part of me kind of wants to, in the future, take the advanced courses in CNC, as well as maybe even a welding course.
You got the bug, huh?
Yeah, it's kind of re-energized my interest in things. Like I said, I got laid off a while back, and I've been out of the engineering for a little bit longer than a year now. So it's kind of re-energized my thoughts and my creativity level, if you will.
Good. It was quite a pace that you had to keep up for this semester.
Yes, it was. When I first signed up, spoke with Terry Morse. He advised that if I was working full time, it would be a real difficult thing to do, and that's true. That's absolutely true. I believe there was at least one guy in another segment of the classes that I think he was working full time, and if he made it through, fantastic.
Yeah, it's pretty rigorous, and it's a lot of time management and focus, and so to see this as 19, but it seems to have done well. So
Actually, I was thinking about this the other day. I mean, I'm no stranger to Delta. I've started going here back in '85, and I've got a associates in mechanical design that I finished in '89. Plus, I've got a computer science networking degree here that I got in 2005. So I'm not a stranger to the courses here, but those courses were like 1 or 2 a week for a couple hours a day.
right.
Whereas this was 4 hours or even 8 hours a day with the final class, every day of the week, well, Monday through Thursday. And the fact that it was Monday to Tuesday to Wednesday to Thursday, what I did on Monday, I
Right.
didn't like, there wasn't a chance to kind of like forget it.
Good. Yeah,
know?
that's what we were hoping would make it easier.
So in
yeah.
a sense, it did make it flow better, if you will.
Okay.
You know.
Oh, good.
So even though it was hectic and busy, it was a good hectic and busy.
What would your fellow classmates or people that you've worked with before, what would they say about your work ethic and ability to work with others?
Oh, I believe I'm a go-getter, and I stick to, I'm a detail-oriented person. I'm conscientious. I work well with others. I think that's the general. I take directive. I work well with going by directive and orders, if you will. So.
Sure. Good. When you think of an employer and the place that you would like to work, what are you looking for?
Oh, my previous experience was with companies that built their own products. Like RWBC built assembly and welding machines for like Maytag and the automotive companies and Frigidaire and such. Ingersoll CM Systems, we made crankshaft processing equipment. So I guess I like the idea of a company that has their final product, but that doesn't rule out anything else, certainly. Like I said earlier, I like the idea of the feeling of accomplishment, regardless whether it's a simple part or being involved in a major machine build.
Good. There's several interviews that we're doing. Is there something that you would like to say to employers so that they be sure to interview you?
I've got the experience. I've got the drive to accomplish what what is required of me. I think I'm flexible in my hours and shift-wise and whatnot. Travel's not a problem either. My work ethic, I think, is as well as it could be.
Good.
So.
Well, gosh, Greg, thanks for coming in and having this interview with us, and hope you get some calls.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye now.